Alright, so I have a new way to make bird legs, and I thought I'd share it with you guys. So this is just wire that I have pre-wrapped with floral tape. What I have here is 28 gauge steel wire, so this is fairly thin. This is going to be legs for a small bird. If you want to do a bigger bird, I would recommend, or bigger legs, going with 24, 20, somewhere in there for the gauge. So what I did is I actually, to make the wrap tight on here, is I take the floral tape and I actually cut it in half with my scissors and then wrap it. So now that I've wrapped this wire, I go ahead and cut it. Beforehand, I was cutting the wire before it was wrapped and then putting it together. Now I'm going to cut 4 pieces of wire, 3 of them about the same length, and then 1 a little bit longer. Like so. Nope, I just dropped all my wire, but that's okay. I don't need it now. This is for 1 foot. So I'm just going to show you 1 foot, and then you can figure out, you can make 2. Okay, so you take and you place them together so that they're all the same length at the bottom. Take the longest wire and pull it up. Then you're going to wrap it around the other ones and pull it tight. This has really kind of sped up the process, and I've just started leaving wire wrapped. Like, I just wrap a bunch of wire and then I have it ready to go. Now that it's wrapped, I can pull these apart like this, and then I can position them how I want. And then I just take my wire cutter and I cut it down to length to where I want it. So for this one, I'm going to cut the top part down. And then I'll probably trim these. But that is essentially how I'm doing it. And then, of course, if you want to add detailed claws, you can get in there with a little paint. But for this one, this is exactly how I want. So there you go. Quick and easy.